Okay, we have properties of logarithms expand. So use properties of logarithms to expand each logarithm as much as possible. Evaluate without a calculator if you can. So you have log base b of this in parentheses. And we remember in parentheses, you can break down multiplication to addition with logs. So we rewrite this as log base b of x plus log base b of y to the fourth. And then we use more logarithm properties. Log base b of x is simplified, but the 4 can walk out front as 4 log base b of y. Okay, we want to expand this thing. Later on, of course, we're going to put it back together. It's called condense. But for now, okay, we have another product here. Log base b of x squared. There's a time sign in there that's understood. Log base b of square root of y. So log base b of x squared, that's 2 log base b of x plus square root of y is y to the 1/2. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1/2 log base b of y. That's a base b like it is here. Okay, now we have division, which everybody knows in logarithms is subtraction. So log base 8 of 64 minus log base 8. And I'm going to call x plus 1 raised to the 1/2. Now this one's very interesting because this is 8 to some power equals 64. To rewrite log base 8 of 64, what it means in exponents is 8 to what power will give me 64? Okay, 8 to the second power is 64. This 1/2 walks out front, 1/2 log base 8 of the quantity x plus 1. Log square root of 10x. So let's rewrite this as log like this, 10x to the 1/2 power. Then we'll pull the 1/2 out front, 1/2 log of 10x. Okay, so this is 1/2 log of 10 plus log of x. And this is kind of a parenthesis because that's out front. Now the log of 10, guys, it's really 10 to what power gives you 10. Log of 10 is actually 1. So this is 1/2 times 1 plus log of x. So this boils down to 1/2 plus 1/2 log x. Over here, log base 2 of 4x to the third. We have 3 times a parenthesis log of 2 times 4x. 3 log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of x. Okay, the 3 is out front. You have to distribute it to both parts. 2 to what power gives me 4? This is 3. 2 to what power is 4? That's 2 plus log base 2 of x. This ends up being 6 plus 3 log base 2 of x. Log base b of x times y squared over z. So there's a lot going on here. Let's write it as a quotient first. Log base b of xy squared. And a quotient is subtracting log base b of z. So the bottom's pretty good, but this is a whole mess here. So it's log base b of x plus log base b of y squared minus log base b of z. Don't forget that guy. Log base b of x is good. This can come out front when we expand as much as possible. 2 log base b of y minus log base b of z. I encourage you to pause the video as we're going through these steps. I go quickly because I don't want the video to be 12 hours long. Natural log x to the 5th y. This is ln of x to the 5th plus ln of y. This becomes 5 ln x plus ln y. No more simplification. This is log base 5 of y to the 3rd over 25. So that's log base 5 of y to the 3rd minus log base 5 of 25. Okay, log base 5 of y to the third can be written as 3 times log base 5 of y minus, now 5 to what power gives me 25? 5 to the second power. That's an ugly looking 2. Don't call names. I know, I'm sorry. All right, that should do it. Thank you.